this is the dashboard that you requested. I will just get into explaining it right now. These are all the charts: YTD running total, total assets, all of these you can see over here. And these aren't proper charts because I have just entered the placeholder values over here. For example, in this chart you can only see the monthly goal in the gray line, and you can't see Nick production or Tom production values because these bars are over here, but the values are too little to show over here. I will just explain this in a second in this data tab. First, let me just show you these hyperlinks over here. This one links back to your dashboard, this one to the data sheet, this one for the email. If you have Outlook, you can email it immediately. I have entered your email over here, and this one links to your website, that is wellsfargoadvisor.com. And now let's get into explaining this graph. Let me just copy a couple of these charts over here, and let's copy another one. Let's go with this one. Right, so first, these are the month values. You can go ahead and add the next month over here, January 2025, or if you want, you could just highlight all of these values and delete them, and these will dynamically update all the charts over here. Like, there are only 4 columns over here, and the dashboard has also been updated. The YTD running total value has also been updated, and things like that. I will just go back over here, and Tom production, all these values are 1000. Tom YTD revenue, it's actually equal to this cell over here, and the next one is this previous cell plus this cell over here. Similarly, for Tom revenue, these are C2 into the payout ratio over here. For Tom, this is 40%, and minus O2. O2 is this one, 500 over here. That is the monthly cost that you have invested. Similarly, all these values are entered. For Tom revenue, it's just D2 over O2. D2 is this value, and O2 is monthly cost that you have invested into it, and this is the return on investment. Okay, this one is negative because this is also a negative value over here. Similarly, for Nick production, I have entered 1000 as values. Nick YTD revenue same as Tom YTD revenue. Nick ROI same as Tom's. Nick ROI percent. Now actual YTD revenue is the sum of this Nick YTD revenue and Tom YTD revenue. Remaining revenue is from the annual goal 3.2 millions minus actual YTD revenue that you have generated over here, 2000. And total pipeline monthly, I've added 500 as placeholders. YTD new assets, 2000 placeholders. Total assets, I have started with an initial value of 10,000 and then gone on to increasing the values, like this previous month's value plus the YTD new assets that you have acquired in the new month. And monthly cost for Tom, 500 as placeholder. Monthly cost for Nick, 500 as placeholder. These are the payout ratio that you can change. For Nick, you can also change over here. And the target achieved monthly, it's like this: actual YTD revenue over here divided by the monthly revenue goal of 267,000, and the remaining target monthly is same. That is monthly revenue goal minus actual monthly revenue goal over here, that is hidden by this formula, and minus actual YTD revenue, this value, divided by the monthly revenue goal, again hidden by this formula. And right, I have to show you that these lines and graphs are changing. For Nick production, let's add a value of our choice. Let's say let's get closer to 150,000, right? See, it has is showing over here as blue line, and this graph has also shooted up. Now let's do this for Tom production. Yeah, this one, let's give it a value of, let's say, 350,000. And right over here, this has also increased, and the bar has also this graph has also changed over here. Let me reset it, and I think that's pretty much it from this. Okay, this table is also the actual is the grabs the latest value from the column. This one column I've added max as a function because the revenue is increasing downwards as the months increase, and so it will just grab the latest value from it over here. Same goes for the target. The target is this one over here. You can change it annual goal. Let's say you decide 200 something, and this will also change over here. The same formula for monthly difference. You can have a look at these later, and this is the visualization chart. You might want to get rid of it later. This kind of an intermediary. And right, I think I've gone through everything. This one is the slicer that I've also added if I haven't explained it. This slice is for January month, this one is for February, this one is for March. If you want to add multiple values, you can do like this. This is March selected, this is April, May, June, and if you want to reset back, just click over here. And if you want to again do multiple selections, do like this. And if you want to single select, just hit that button again over here, and January 24 again, like this. I think that's pretty much it from my side. Let me know if you need any more edits, and I will be happy to help out. Thank you.